Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to discuss a new different formula that is called NOT. The formula name itself is NOT. So we'll see the description of this formula first and later we'll jump to the syntax of this formula and after that we'll see the practical uses of this formula. So let's start guys. The syn- the description of this formula says it changes false to true and true to false. So basically, in couple of days back, we have learned the and or and this kind of formula where we were trying to get the output as true or false. But this node formula is altogether different, where the result we supposed to get in a true, but after putting this not formula we will get our output in false output, like all reversal manner. We'll see how we can do it. I can simply press this formula not, and the syntax of this formula is very simple. We have to give a one logic, but instead of one logic we can give true or false also. Let's see how we can do. I can do, see this is true but I'm getting false. I can drag it down and I can control D also. And see, in this number, if you see in Excel, 0 means usually false and 1 means true. So it is changing the result other way around. I'm doing control D also. Here, since this is number which is not considered by the text form, not formula. So what we can do simply 100 less than 50. So basically for this formula it will be a logic. Since it is false in actual, but this not formula will convert this result as true. Like that also, what we can do, then greater than 100. And since the result is true, in that manner we are getting the result as false. And we can do like this also. What we can do, one second. Since this is text, what I can do, I can simply put the text in inverted comma, press enter, like that. I can do this. One second. Since this is false, like this is not equal to TV, so I'm getting my result as true. So we'll try to put this formula in a multiple scenario. We'll see in this table also. I can simply put this node formula and drag it down and control D. In some cases, I'm getting the result that is not. Uh, I'm getting the error. In that manner, I can simply put this formula like that. This is the example we have seen. What I can do, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Like that, I'm getting. And since this is false, I'm getting true result. And here we are having this table where the product name and price is given. So any product but TV. What I can do, I can simply put this formula as not, and I can give the logic like TV and drag it down. So wherever TV is not exist, I'm getting the results as true, and otherwise I'm getting the result as false. I can use this formula to the not, like not greater than also. What I can do, I can put not formula and this greater than, not greater, less than. I can put simply less than 300. I can pick because this is greater than 300, so that's why I'm getting true result. Like that we can use this formula, and I can blend this formula with another formula also, like or and all. So how I can put, basically, if I'm simply putting this core formula, but what I can do, this is equal to TV to comma close, and this only equal to AC, like that. press enter. I'm getting the true result here because one condition get meet, and in that formula I can blend this formula with my node formula and press enter. Since our formula was giving me the true result, so it node formula has converted to its false. Like that I can blend with this formula with n formula also. How I can do, simply I has to put the n formula. In n formula I have to give pv inverted comma close. Again I have to give like this, equal to, 1 second, I think I did something wrong. This name is a little bit big, so I was trying to put by giving reference, or else I can simply give, because both the condition are not met, so that's why this n formula is giving me false result. And I can put the not formula in front of this formula, and I can change this false as true, and I can drag it down, and all results I'm getting here as true, because no condition was getting me with the n formula, and by putting this not formula I'm able to see the true here. So this was all about this video, guys. This formula is a little bit weird, I would say, because there is an I have never seen like where we want to result get converted from false to true and true to false, like that I never use. If you are aware, like have you ever used this node formulas, let me know. I will also get to know. So thank you guys, hope you like the session. Keep like, share and subscribe, and stay learning. Stay tuned for the next formula, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys.